How to install slot perimeter from Mark Lighting. Before we begin, review the installation manual for a complete list of safety instructions. We recommend having the submittal drawings on hand at the start of the installation. Submittal drawings for your project can be requested from your distributor and sales agent or by contacting technical support. Choose from two trim options, FL for drywall ceilings and TG for grid ceilings. Lens depth options include flush, and regress depth options include 1 inch, 2 inch, 4 inch, and 6 inch. Louver options are also available on 2 inch and 4 inch apertures. First, prepare the slot perimeter family run by laying out all components on a clean, flat surface. Identify each section by its ID number, order number, and section position as shown on the record drawings. Before installing, remove the lens only. Using a plastic putty knife or similar tool, slowly pry the lens away from the fixture. Next, trim the J-channel to fixture length as needed and attach it to the wall at the height indicated above the ceiling line. Hook the first fixture onto the J-channel and slide it against the wall into final position. For drywall installations, support the room side of the fixture with either tie wire or 1/4 20 threaded rod from the external yoke to the structure above. Once the first fixture is in place, remove the access plate and make the power supply connection. Once all connections are complete, secure the access plate back to the housing with the provided screw. To connect adjoining sections, connect the wires together. Next, engage the straight aligning keys at the bottom of each fixture section. Then, secure the fixture sections together using 4 number 8 by 1/2 inch screws, installed on opposite sides as shown. Make the self-bend tab from one fixture with the tab slot of the adjoining fixture to align the housings. Support the room side of the fixture with the threaded rod from the external yoke to the structure above. Insert the sliding joiners through the slots and tighten the provided screws. Finish by securing the access plate with the provided screw. Continue down the run, securing each fixture along the J-channel and to the structure above. With the fixtures mounted and wired, snap the pre-installed lens into the housing, following the correct lens orientation. Experience the slot perimeter from Mark Lighting. To learn more about our full slot family of architectural linear fixtures, visit marklighting.acuitybrands.com.